I'm on the Lowe's website looking at the Lowe's Advantage card from Synchrony Bank. This card is meant for people who shop at Lowe's often and want some savings or financing options. On the home page, it highlights the main benefit: 5% off on eligible Lowe's purchases every day when you use the card. That sounds good if you buy a lot of tools, materials, or appliances, but it's worth looking closer at what that really means. Scrolling down, there's a section explaining that instead of the 5% discount, you can sometimes choose special financing offers, like 6 months interest-free on purchases over a certain amount. But
Tired of banks checking your credit score for weeks, slapping on limits, and blocking transactions? We get how frustrating it is. With the Red Dot Pay card, you'll get a multi-currency account, a card issued in minutes, and the freedom to pay without red tape. You can also link your crypto directly and spend instantly. No credit checks or delays. Click the link in the description now, apply for your Red Dot Pay card, get $5 on your account, and start using it right away.
this only applies if you pay off the full balance before the promo ends. Otherwise, interest goes back to the purchase date, which can be pretty steep, since the regular APR is usually around 28% or higher, so it's important to use the card carefully. The site also points out that you can apply online or in-store. The application form is simple. You need your personal info, income, and social security number. Synchrony usually gives an instant decision, but approval depends on your credit score. If your credit isn't great, you might still qualify since it's a store card, but the limit will probably be low. I also checked the account management section. Everything runs through Synchrony Bank's platform. You can log in, view statements, make payments, and set up autopay. The interface is pretty basic, but works fine. Some users online report issues with payment processing or customer service, though. Synchrony isn't known for having the best support, and that's something to keep in mind if you ever run into billing problems. Lowe's pushes the 5% discount pretty hard, and it's probably the best reason to have this card. If you're a contractor or do frequent DIY projects, it can add up. But if you only shop here occasionally, the high interest rate and limited use outside Lowe's make it less appealing. There's no annual fee, which helps, but this isn't a general-purpose credit card. You can only use it at Lowe's. I also noticed that returns and rewards can get tricky. If you return an item bought with the card, the refund might not reflect the original discount or promotion. That's a detail a lot of people overlook. The fine print on the site is worth reading before applying. Overall, the Lowe's Advantage card is decent for loyal Lowe's customers who pay balances in full. It's not ideal for carrying a balance or using for big financing unless you're sure you can pay it off during the promo period. My honest take, it's a useful store card if you treat it like a cash discount tool, not a line of credit. If you're thinking about getting it, go through the terms carefully on Lowe's or Synchrony's site. Compare it with something like the Home Depot Consumer Credit Card. They're similar, but the offers differ slightly depending on what you buy. That's my full walkthrough of the Lowe's Advantage Card website and real user experience. If this review helped, subscribe for more honest credit card and finance reviews. And don't forget to hit like.